Hey friend, are you ready for a super fun challenge that's going to make you feel stronger and more powerful every single day? Imagine this. Just by doing 50 push-ups a day, yes, only 50, you can totally change your body and boost your health. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Exercise sometimes feels tough, like climbing a big mountain. But guess what? When you reach the top, the view is amazing. Push-ups are like that mountain. They may seem simple, but they're actually one of the most powerful exercises you can do. They're not just about getting strong arms. Push-ups help your whole body, from your chest to your back, even down to your tummy. And the best part? You don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or tons of time. You just need a little space and your own energy. So, get ready, because we're about to see how 50 push-ups a day can turn you into a superhero. Welcome to Wellness Script. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts here. All right, so here's the cool science behind it. Push-ups are what we call a full-body workout. That means when you're pushing yourself up, you're not just using your arms. You're actually firing up your chest, shoulders, triceps, those are the muscles on the back of your arms, your belly muscles, and even your lower back. Every time you push off the ground, you're teaching your body to be stronger and better balanced. And here's something you might not know. A strong core, that's your stomach and back muscles, helps you stand up straighter, walk taller, and even feel more confident. If you ever find yourself slouching over your desk or feeling tired just sitting around, chances are your core muscles are a little sleepy. Push-ups wake them up big time, making sure you stay tall, strong, and energized all day long. Imagine waking up in the morning, hopping out of bed, and doing your 50 push-ups like a boss. It's like giving your body a jolt of pure energy. Over time, you'll notice something awesome. You're not just looking stronger, you're feeling stronger. Carrying your backpack feels easier. Running around with your friends feels lighter. Even your mood gets a big upgrade because exercise releases happy chemicals in your brain called endorphins. Plus, your body starts to look different. Your arms get more toned, your chest looks more powerful, and even your belly tightens up. And don't worry if you can't do 50 push-ups right away. You can start with a few and build up. Every push-up you do is like a little building block, stacking up to create a stronger, happier you. Now, let's dive even deeper into why your core loves push-ups so much. Think of your core like the foundation of a giant tree. If the roots are weak, the tree can't stand tall when the wind blows. But if the roots are strong, the tree can survive any storm. When you do push-ups, you're strengthening the roots of your body. Your core muscles hug your spine, protect your organs, and help you move better in every way. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling unbreakable. Having a strong core helps you run faster, jump higher, play sports better, and even sit in a chair without feeling tired. So every time you drop down and do your push-ups, you're not just working out, you're planting the seeds for a healthier, more powerful life. Ready to give it a shot? Let's go crush those 50 push-ups a day together. Push-ups aren't just about showing off big muscles. They're like a secret weapon for your whole body, especially your core, which is like the strong center that holds you up. When you do a push-up, you're not just using your arms and chest. You're making your stomach muscles, sides, and lower back work hard too. That's what we call a compound exercise. It's like getting a bunch of exercises packed into one simple move. The more you practice, the stronger your core gets, and soon you'll feel like you have an unbreakable superhero shield right around your middle. Imagine moving easier, standing taller, and even feeling more powerful just because you added a few minutes of push-ups into your day. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about balance. And no, not just standing on one foot. When you do push-ups, your body has to stay as straight as a board, which takes serious teamwork from your core muscles. It's like trying to stay steady on a surfboard. You have to stay strong in the middle, or you'll tip over. Doing push-ups every day teaches your body how to stay balanced, whether you're running, jumping, playing sports, or even just carrying your backpack without wobbling. It makes everything you do feel smoother and stronger. Plus, all that strength in your middle helps you stand straighter too. If you ever find yourself hunching over your phone or desk, push-ups can actually help fix that by training your muscles to hold you upright like a proud superhero. And here's something super important. Strong core muscles can save you from a lot of back pain. When your middle is weak, your back has to do all the heavy lifting, and that can really hurt over time. But when your core is strong, it's like having a built-in armor that protects your spine. Push-ups are like giving your back a big, strong hug every single day. This is extra helpful if you sit a lot, like during school or gaming marathons. And it's not just about feeling good now. Strengthening your core with push-ups can help you stay pain-free and active for years to come. Just think, something as simple as a push-up could mean fewer trips to the doctor and more time doing what you love. Speaking of doing what you love, a strong core makes everyday stuff way easier. Ever tried carrying heavy groceries, climbing stairs 2 steps at a time, or playing your favorite sport and felt out of breath or tired? That's because all those moves start from your core. Push-ups make that core super powerful, so lifting, bending, twisting, and even sprinting feel way easier. Instead of getting tired fast, you'll be the one with endless energy, surprising everyone with how strong and quick you are. It's like leveling up your character in a video game, but in real life. The best part? All it takes is sticking with those push-ups, a little each day, and your body will reward you in big ways. Now, if you love sports, you're really going to love this. Push-ups make you better at basically every athletic thing you can imagine. Whether it's running faster, cycling longer, swimming smoother, or even lifting heavier weights, it all starts with a strong, steady core. Push-ups get your body used to working as one powerful team. Plus, every time you push up off the ground, your body makes something called human growth hormone, HGH. It's like the magic potion your body uses to grow and heal. As you get older, HGH helps keep your muscles strong and your body feeling young. So yep, every push-up you do is basically helping your body stay awesome both now and in the future. How epic is that? Oh, and guess what? Push-ups aren't just about strength, they also help you burn calories like crazy. Every time you push yourself up and down, your body uses energy, and when you use energy, you burn calories. More push-ups mean more calories burned, which helps you stay fit and healthy without needing long, boring workouts. Plus, push-ups even help your heart. As you lift and lower your body, your heart starts pumping faster, getting stronger with every beat. This keeps your blood flowing, your oxygen moving, and your blood pressure nice and healthy. It's like giving your heart a super workout while you build muscles at the same time. Double win. Now, before you start cranking out 100 push-ups like a machine, remember, it's important to take it slow and steady. Start with a number that feels right for you and work your way up. Doing too much too soon can hurt your back or your shoulders, and we definitely don't want that. Also, to keep things fun and make sure all your muscles get a workout, try mixing it up. Do some wide push-ups, narrow ones, even ones where you move your hands forward or backward. Each style works different parts of your muscles and keeps your body guessing. This way, you'll get stronger faster without hitting that boring plateau where nothing feels like it's changing anymore. And hey, before you go, if you're loving this journey to a stronger, healthier you, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join our Wellness Script family. We're all about helping you feel your best every single day with simple tips, awesome workouts, fun challenges, and valuable insights into nutrition. Stick with us, and let's keep building a body and a life you're proud of. You're stronger than you think. Let's keep going.